Recent government efforts to boost the economy are paying off with a notable decline in poverty rate from 24.7% last year to 23.4% this year thus far. This is equivalent to 11 million poor families. Residential Advisor for Poverty Alleviation Larry Gadon credits economic initiatives under the Marcos administration for his progress, showing the country's gradual recovery from the pandemic's impact.
When President Bongbong Marcos opened up the economy, itong latest figure ng employment rate na 95.6 ay nakapagbigay ng maraming trabaho. And that is also the reason why the so-called self-rated hunger in its latest survey ay nabawasan din na malaki.